Well, we're headed down to southern Arizona. Darr and Jimmy have a Coues deer hunt. And it's pretty dry. There's a few bucks around, so hopefully we can find one for them to shoot. Stay tuned. It's gonna be good. Looks like a Coues deer hunter to me.
Bedded up in this thick little cut up here. It's opening day. Jake glassed this buck up this morning that I've seen a few times. Our target buck. It's a 4x3. He came all the way across these hills, went down and got a drink, and we've lost him and had him a couple different times, and now I think he's bedded in this thick little canyon. Another buck just dropped down into this canyon, so we're hoping he gets him up, or we'll wait him out till this afternoon. So we'll see.
What do you think, big boy? You think he's gonna come out of that jungle over there?
I hope so.
Well, we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna try and video it. Hopefully he'll make a great shot. I'm sure he will.
We'll see. I just hope he comes out so we get to try.
He's in a nasty thicket, isn't he?
Right down there, that thick stuff.
We're gonna get that buck tonight.
I hope so.
I can't believe how far he moved this morning.
I know. Good spot, by the way. Good spot.
Love this. Feeling better already.
Pace yourself. We might have a long day.
Still see movement in there.
No. Yes.
What do you see?
It's just feeding on those acorns, it looks like. Pretty thick, though. Need him to come out a little bit. He's probably gonna feed and bed back down, would be my guess.
How far is it to that rock pile?
Or 13.
To the big rock.
Jay, he's up. He's up. He's up. $5.50. Yeah.
Tell me when you're gonna shoot. Tell me when you're gonna shoot.
Okay. Gonna shoot.
Okay. Pretty sure you hit him, Ron. See him?
No?
He's going down a little bit to the left. He's right by those two oak trees in the sun, right where he was before. shooting, Darr.
Is he dead?
He's down.
I see him.
You see him? Nice shooting. Nice job, man. Nice shooting.
Thanks, buddy.
That was awesome.
That was... how's the poke?
Yeah, it was.
Well, you saw this buck 3 years ago. I saw him twice last year, once in the velvet, once in November. Decided to hunt another buck, or hunt some other bucks. Let him grow. He actually didn't grow at all from the first time Jay saw him. And I saw him in August, got a little video of him, and then Jay glassed him up this morning, opening morning, and he came around, and Jimmy and I followed him all over and finally bedded him in a thicket, and Jay came over to us and got the camera set up, and the rest is history. So I'm excited to go check him out. He's a 4x3, 4 on his left. He's a nice buck.
Thanks, buddy.
I think we ought to go get over there before it gets dark on us.
Let's do it. I'll follow you.
Alright, we got a ways to go. Thanks, buddy. Man, this brush is thick, isn't it?
Oh, man.
That's why we wear these tough pants.
Yep. Keeps birds out, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. I think he's right up here.
There's those two agaves, I think, up there.
So he's got to be just right up here.
Oh, gosh.
Let's go check him out.
Let's see what you got.
Nice. Thanks, bud.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jay, for glassing him up this morning. Opening morning, 2009, the October whitetail hunt, southern Arizona. Jay glassed this buck up at about, what time was it, 10 o'clock? 9:30?
Pretty early.
9 o'clock. And he came all the way across 2 or 3 canyons, and Jimmy, we'd lose him. Jimmy glassed him up, then we'd lose him. I'd glass him up. And finally got him in a little canyon in these oaks right here, and waited him out. About 3:30 he stood up and was feeding and had a 530-yard shot, and he's ours.
Good job, guys. Yeah. Jimbo.
Thanks, Jay.
Darr.
Thanks for glassing him up this
That was
morning.
awesome.
Yeah.
A lot of fun.
Good job.
Whew.
Nice and wide on
Yeah.
a steep mountain. What, 525 or something?
Yeah, 530 yards.
That's a
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks.
Now
Now we
Jimbo's got a tag.
gotta go find another one for Jim.
Stop it. I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight. That's a beautiful deer.
Good job.
Now
man.
we can get serious.
Number 20 for you, huh?
Number 20, I believe.
Right on.
Yeah.
Good
So-
job.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right,
Appreciate it.
Let's get him out of here.
All right.
What do you think, buddy?
I think it's opening afternoon. It's been an all-day saga. And we're one down, one to go. Jimmy's
Right on.
still got a tag. It's 4x3. Nice buck. Hopefully we'll find another one.
Right on.
First day. Thanks for your help, Jay. Thanks for your help, Jim.